gentle with Uncle Osh. Be gentle,
Be
Fanny.
sweet. Be sweet to Osh.
Be,
Be sweet.
be gentle with Uncle Osh. Wow. Wow, Fanny. That's unadulterated joy, Osh, who's very stoic.
I know, right?
And just another day in the life of Fanny Bell and her dog, Osh. Oh, we can see her very happy. Who's cute? Oh. Would you like to pet Osh one more time?
Would you like to pet your Osh?
Yeah.
Oh, be sweet to
Yeah, be
Osh.
sweet. Be gentle to Osh. Be
Oh, be
gentle.
gentle with Osh.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
We love you, Fan. We love you. So does Osh.